my name is Paul Twigg, and today we are talking about the 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLA250, available at Overseas Motors Mercedes-Benz. As we take a deep dive into the Mercedes GLA SUV, you can find a swooping roofline and an additional curb appeal. The GLA delivers a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that drives the front or all 4 wheels and makes 221 horsepower. The Mercedes-Benz GLA comes with available 20-inch wheels and integrated roof spoiler on the AMG model, giving it a presence of a hatchback but in a taller riding vehicle. You can find aluminum roof rails, a panoramic sunroof, chrome diamond block grille, and carbon optic trim. Inside the GLA, you'll find all of the infotainment, luxury, and convenience features Mercedes-Benz offers in its larger SUVs. The interior carries dark synthetic leather, contrasts with metallic surfaces such as aluminum around the circular vents, door panels, and the center console. The GLA comes with a 7-inch infotainment screen that you can upgrade to a 10.3-inch screen that leans back towards the driver. The gloss black panels on the console reveal some of the GLA's under ambient lighting and an attractive upper dash design. You can find 8-way power adjustable front seats, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a power tailgate, keyless start, and a panel with side-by-side 7-inch screens for the instrument cluster and the center display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. When it comes to luxury, the 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLA comes with power driver's seat with memory, power front passenger seat with memory, sport front seats, 40-20-40 split folding reclining rear seats, remote start via Mercedes Me mobile app, heated front seats, Art-to-Go upholstery, spacious cargo area, including optional features such as power front passenger seat with memory, sport front seats, Mercedes Me Connect Assist services, climate comfort front seats, heated Napa leather steering wheel, leather upholstery, keyless go, auto dimming driver's side and inside rear view mirrors. Overall, the 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLA features safety and security with luxury finishes. If you're interested in the 2022 Mercedes-Benz available at Overseas Motors, please schedule a test drive or apply for financing. Contact us at www.mercedes-benz-overseasmotors.ca. Thank you for watching.